Hello, today we'll be demoing the LaserLine auto stakeout function in Trimble Access mines. Mines can automatically locate and stake out the start and end points of your laser lines. Either use a preloaded design file or utilize points that are calculated along the grade line. Your SX12 will point a green laser line to these locations where the surveyor can mark it. Either click on a laser line or navigate to the auto stakeout menu to access the function. Verify that the line populates. Choose a point naming convention along with a code. Fine-tune your EDM settings and choose whether or not to store these points. Once the function begins, it'll start by staking out points on the left-hand side of the mine, work its way up, and then back down on the right, as fast as we specified in the EDM pace settings. When the function finishes, it'll produce a report, and you're free to continue with your survey.